Hi friends, this is Vijay. Welcome to Competitors World. Today we are going to discuss some of the most important questions on books and authors. This is part 2 of this series and these questions are entirely based on the previous year papers. I hope this is going to be very helpful for the upcoming exams. So friends, before we start, one request to all, please subscribe my channel. If you have not subscribed, like it, share it and press the bell icon for regular updates. You can also join the Telegram channel for the PDF. Link is provided in the description. If you are preparing for the teaching exams, you can also refer the channel Teaching Exams Made Easy. This is very helpful. So let's start today's session. So the first question is in front of you. The question is, among the following works of Salman Rushdie, which one was his first creation? Option A, Same. Option B, Midnight Children. Option C, The Satanic Verses. And option D, that is The Moor's Last Love. So what will be the answer here? So here the answer will be, that is option B. Okay. So option B will be the right answer, The Midnight Children. So this was the first creation of Salman Rushdie. So if you'll talk the other creations of Salman Rushdie, those are The Satanic Verses, The Horns and the Sea of Stories, Same, Golden House, Imaginary Homelands, East West. Okay, these are some of the most important books that are written by Salman Rushdie. Clear? And this book, The Midnight Children, was written in the year, that is 1981. Okay, this was written in 1981. Look at this cover of this book. This is Midnight Children. Clear? So move on to the next question, that is question number 2. A book that brought awareness of environment all over the world was Silent Spring. Okay, Silent Spring, this is a very famous book. It was written by option A, Julian Huxley. Option B, Rachel Carson. Option C, John Seymour. And option D, that is Frank Graham Jayer. So what will be the answer? So here the answer will be, that is option B. Okay, so Rachel Carson will be the right answer. Okay, so he was the author of this book Silent Spring, and this was a very famous book. Okay, and this is entirely based on environmental awareness. Clear? Move on to the next question, that is question number 3. Who is the author of Business at the Rate Speed of Thought? Okay, option A, Dick Francis. Option B, John Gray. Option C, Bill Gates. And option D, David Baldachin. So what will be the answer? So here the answer will be, that is option C. Okay, so Bill Gates will be the right answer. So if you'll talk about the books of Bill Gates, so some of the famous books are The Road Ahead. Okay, The Road Ahead, and Business at the Speed of Thought. Okay, so can you say, recently in the year 2020 a book is written by Bill Gates? Can you say what is the name of that book? Please comment on the comment box. Okay, so please comment your answer in the comment box. So look at this. This is the book Business at the Speed of Thought, that is written by Bill Gates. So move on to the next question, that is question number 4. The question is, the writer who refused the Nobel Prize for Literature was option A, Winston Churchill. Option B, Jean-Paul Sartre. Option C, Boris Pasternak. Option D, that is Premchand. So what will be the answer? So here the answer will be, that is option B. Okay, Jean-Paul Sartre will be the right answer. Move on to the next question, that is question number 5. Who created the unforgettable literary character Swami? Okay, all of you must have known this answer. Option A, Vikram Seth. Option B, R.K. Narayan. Option C, Mulk Raj Anand. And option D, that is Harivansh Rai Bachchan. So what will be the answer? So here the answer will be, that is option B, R.K. Narayan will be the right answer. All of you must have well acquainted with this character Swami. Okay, when we were childhood, we used to see the Malgudi days. That is the creation of R.K. Narayan. Okay, you must have seen this episodes in the television. So look at this. This is the memory. This reminds us our childhood memory. Okay, the Malgudi school days by R.K. Narayan. Clear? So these are very famous stories are there. If we'll talk about some other books that is written by uh, R.K. Narayan. So these are The Dark Room, Vendor of Sweets. Okay, Dark Room, Vendor of Sweets. Again, The Guide. Okay, The Guide, The Guide. Then the English Teacher. Okay, and A Horse and Two Goats. These are some of the most famous books, famous creations that is created by R.K. Narayan. Okay, R.K. Narayan. Okay, so move on to the next question. That is question number 6. Who is the author of the book Courts and Their Judgments? Option A Justice M.R. V.R. Krishna Iyer. Option B Arun Sauri. Option C F.S. Nariman, and option D that is Ram Jethmalani. So what will the answer? So here the answer will be that is option B. Okay. So Arun Sauri will be the right answer. So Courts and Their Judgments was the creation of Arun Sauri. Look at this picture. This is created by Arun Sauri. This is the creation of Arun Sauri. Courts and their Courts and their judgments. Okay. So move on to the next question. That is question number 7. Question number 7. Who is the author of the book Life of Pi? Option A Ian Mattel. Option B Rohinton Mystery. Option C Ken Follett, and option D that is MJ Akbar. So what will be the answer here? So this Life of Pi is written by option A Ian Mattel will be the right answer. Okay, so he was a Canadian author. Okay, Canadian author. So Ian Mattel was a Canadian author, and he won Booker Prize in the year 2002. Okay, in the year 2002, Ian Mattel won Booker Prize for Life of Pi. Move on to the next question. That is question. Look at this. This is a cover of this book, Life of Pi. Okay, winner of Man Booker Prize, Ian Mattel. Move on to the next question. That is question number 8. And the question is, which among the following is not a work of Rabindranath Tagore? Option A Chitra, option B Kapala Kundala, option C The Court Dancer, and option D Chitrangada. So what will the answer? If you have seen my previous video, then you can easily answer this question. So here the answer will be that is option B. Okay. So Kapala Kundala is not a creation of Rabindranath Tagore. It was written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyaya. Okay. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyaya. Okay. So move on to the next question. That is question number 9. And the question is, who is the author of the book Conquest of Happiness? This is a very important question. Option A Thomas Hardy, option B Aldous Huxley, option C Bertrand Russell, and option D that is George Bernard Shaw. So what will be the answer here? So here the answer will be that is option C. Okay, that is Bertrand Russell. Okay, Bertrand Russell will be the right answer. Look at this cover. Okay, the cover has not been given. So question number 10. Whose autobiography is My Life? Okay, this is a very important question. Option A Nelson Mandela, option B Bill Clinton, option C Margaret Thatcher, and option D, that is J.M. Lingda. So what will be the answer here? So here the answer will be, that is option B, Bill Clinton will be the right answer. So Bill Clinton's autobiography is My Life. Okay, look at him. This is Bill Clinton and his autobiography is My Life. Clear? So move on to the next question, that is question number 11. Who is the author of the book Is New York Burning? Option A, John Grisham. Option B, Lapierre and Collins. Option D, that is Christopher Paolini Noel. Option D, that is Michael Moe. So what is the answer here? So here the answer will be, that is option B. Okay, Lapierre and Collins will be the right answer. Move on to the next question, that is question number 12. Who is the author of the book Apprenticeship of a Mahatma, on which the film called The Making of Mahatma is based? So the questions which I am discussing here is entirely based on the previous year papers. Okay, you can also search. So what will be the answer here? So here the answer will be, that is option D. Okay, so Fatima Mehr will be the right answer. Okay, so he is associated with the making of Mahatma. Okay, move on to the next question, that is question number 13. Who is the author of Harry Potter book series? This is a very important question. Option A, Charles Dickens. Option B, Nick Middleton. Option C, J.K. Rowling. Option D, that is Edward Cullen. So what will be the answer here? So here the answer will be, that is option C, J.K. Rowling will be the right answer. Okay, he is the author of Harry Potter book series, J.K. Rowling. So look at this. This is the Harry Potter book series. Okay. Move on to the next question. That is question number 14. Who is the author of the book Augmentative Indian? This is a very important question, and you must have seen this question in many exams. Option A, V.S. Naipaul. Option B, Vikram Seth. Option C, Shashi Tharoor, and option D, that is Amartya Sen. So what will be the answer here? So here the answer will be, that is option D. Okay, Amartya Sen will be the right answer. So Amartya Sen is the author of the book, that is Augmentative Indian. Okay, if we'll talk about Amartya Sen, he won Nobel Prize in the year, that is 1998. Okay, for his contribution to the economic science. He got Nobel Prize in 1998, and also he got Bharat Ratna in the year, that is 1999. Okay, in the year 1999 he got Bharat Ratna. Clear? So move on to the next question, that is question number 15. The book Unto the Last, which influenced Gandhi, was authored by option A, Boris Yeltsin. Option B, John Ruskin. Option D, Pushkin, and option D, that is Ruskin Bond. So what will be the answer? So here the answer will be, that is option B. Okay, John Ruskin will be the right answer. Okay, so the book Unto the Last was written by John Ruskin, and this question has been seen in many exams. Okay, move on to the next question, that is question number 16. Which of the following books is written by APJ Abdul Kalam? Okay, a very good question. Option A, Developing India. Option B, Science is Today's India. Option C, Defense Set Up in India, and option D, that is Guiding Saul. So what will be the answer here? So here the answer will be, that is option D. Okay, so Guiding Saul will be the right answer. This is the creation of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, so if you will talk some of the important books of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, so what are those? Those are Wings of Fire, India 2020, Ignited Minds, A Vision for New Millennium, My Journey, Indomitable Spirit, on leasing power within India. These are some of the most important books that are written by APJ Abdul Kalam. So move on to the next question, that is question number. So look at this. This is the cover of this book, The Guiding Soul, and this was written by APJ Abdul Kalam with Arun K. Tiwari. Okay. So move on to the next question, that is question number 17. Gita Govinda is a famous poem was written by. All of you must have known this answer. So here the answer will be, that is Jayadeva. Okay, Gita Govinda was written by Jayadeva. So let's move to the next question. That is question number 18. The famous book, The General Theory of Employment, Interest and Money is written by. Option A, J.B. Shah. Option B, J.M. Keynes. Option C, Amartya Sen. And option D, that is Cancross. Okay, Cancross. So what will be the answer here? So here the answer will be, that is option B. Okay, so option B, J.M. Keynes will be the right answer. Clear? So let's move to the next question, that is question number 19. Who among the following is the author of the classic book Life Divine? This is a very important question. This is also often seen in the exam. Option A, Ravi Shankar. Option B, Swami Vivekananda. Option C, Radha Krishnan. Option D, that is Aurobindo Ghosh. So it answer, what will be the answer here? So here the answer will be, that is option D. Okay, so Aurobindo Ghosh will be the right answer. So option D will be the right answer. So Life Divine is written by option D, that is Aurobindo Ghosh. Move on to the next question, and this is the last question of today's session. The author of the book Cosmos is. Option A, Carl Sagan. Option B, Isaac Asimov. Option C, Arthur C. Clarke. And option D, then Michael Christian. So this is a very important question, and what will be the answer here? So here the answer will be, that is option A. Okay, so the book Cosmos is written by Carl Sagan. Okay, so look at this cover of this book. This is Carl Sagan's book, that is Cosmos. So friends, this was all about today's session. So before we end, don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have not subscribed, like it, share it and press the bell icon for regular updates. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks a lot for giving your valuable time. Thank you.